Welcome to this grounding meditation to reconnect with the steady foundation within you. In just a few minutes, we'll gently settle the mind and bring a sense of stability and safety to the body. I'd like to invite you to find a comfortable position and allow your eyes to close gently. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nostrils and gently exhale out from your mouth. We'll do 6 rounds of a breathing exercise, and you're welcome to breathe in through the nostrils and exhale either out from your nostrils or your mouth. On your next breath in, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and return your breath to a natural rhythm. I'd like to now invite you to bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your tailbone region. Imagine a warm, ruby light glowing here, steady, deep, and strong. With every breath, feel this ruby glow expanding, anchoring you to the earth beneath you. Just as the roots of a tree reach deep into the soil, you too are supported, stable, and held. You're welcome to place one hand on your heart if that feels more supportive for you. And repeat in your mind, I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported by life. I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported by life. Take a few deep, slow breaths in and out, allowing this feeling of stability to settle into your body. Thank you for taking the time out to tap into your root chakra, also known as the Muladhara chakra. If you feel called to go deeper, join my next meditation for awakening and tapping into the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, for the flow of creativity. Namaste.